In this video, we're going to look at adding unordered lists and ordered lists to our HTML. So here we can see the W3 Schools reference. And remember, that's a really good resource if you're not sure how an element works. And this is an example of an unordered list. We have the UL element and then LI elements inside of it. So you have unordered list and then list item, list item, list item. So it makes it pretty easy to work with. So looking at that, we're going to go back into this document that we've been working on, add the UL element, and then I'm going to add some LI elements, and I'm just going to make them all list item, and I'm going to save this document, and then I can go back to where I've saved this and open up this file and see now we have these list items here. They're an unordered list, so it's just a bulleted list. And then looking at creating an ordered list. An ordered list, the structure of it is going to be the same as an unordered list. So I'm just going to copy and paste that and change this first tag to an OL instead of a UL for ordered list. So now when I save that and I open up this page again, I can see we have this ordered list here. Now looking at the reference on W3 Schools, you can find this information, but for the ordered list, you can add the type attribute, and there are a few types. You can do lowercase letters, lowercase numbers, lowercase Roman numbers, capital letters, capital Roman, and those are done by putting in whatever the type is that is called for on W3 Schools. So now saving this again, having type A in there, when I refresh it, I can see that my list items are now A, B, and C. If I use a lowercase I or a capital I, that's going to be the Roman numerals, whether lowercase or capital. So then I can refresh this, and I'm getting the lowercase Roman numerals. And there are a lot more styles that you can add to those when we get into CSS. But for this, there's only a handful of options that we have available. So now I'm going to change this to the capital Roman to make it a little bit easier to see. We can also use the start attribute. So start equals, and then we can have this list start at a specific number if we want to. So if I wanted this to start at, say, 45, we'll go with 49. Then when I save that and we refresh our page, we can see we have LIX, L, LI, so 49, 50, and 51 in Roman numerals. And that's how you create a list in your HTML document.